Write a 5-minute video script about slow fashion, but make it funny.
Intro music and opening shot of a fashion show runway. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the latest fashion show. But wait, this is no ordinary show. This is a slow fashion show, where we celebrate style that's good for the planet and good for your wardrobe. Cut to a backstage shot with the host, a comedian, getting ready. Hey there, I'm your host for the day, and I'm here to tell you that slow fashion is no joke. Well, at least not a bad one. We're talking about clothes that are made to last, that are made with the environment in mind, and that don't make you look like you just escaped from a circus. Cut to a montage of fast fashion clothing falling apart. You know, fast fashion is like a one-night stand. It's cheap and you have fun, but in the end, you're left feeling disappointed and with a wardrobe full of holes. Cut to a shot of a slow fashion designer working on a garment. But slow fashion is the real deal. It's like a long-term relationship. It might take a little longer to get ready, but once you're out there, you're the best dressed in the room, and you know it's going to last. Cut to a shot of a person wearing slow fashion clothing, looking confident and stylish. And the best part? You can be stylish and environmentally conscious at the same time. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. Except it's not birds, it's the planet. And you're not hurting it, you're helping it. Cut to a shot of the runway with models walking down the runway wearing slow fashion clothing. And now, without further ado, let's take a look at the latest collection of slow fashion. From sustainable materials to timeless designs, these clothes are the future of fashion. And they look good on everyone. Except maybe the mannequins, they might have to start working on their runway walk. Outro music and closing shot of the runway. And that's a wrap, folks. Thank you for joining us for a slow fashion show, where we prove that being stylish and environmentally conscious can be hilarious and fabulous. End credits roll. Alright, this is the real Gloria speaking, not the AI. Please don't shoot. Anyways, that script was written entirely by ChatGPT. I didn't make any changes to it. If you don't believe me, here's the full script. So what do I think about ChatGPT? Can I use it to write all my video scripts from now on? Would it replace the content creation process? Well, I have to say, it does a pretty good job in talking like an actual human. I didn't want a boring-ass script, so I specifically gave the instruction to make it funny. And it actually wrote some pretty funny jokes. For example, looking like you just escaped from a circus. I'm sorry, fashion people, but you just got roasted by AI. Another one I like. A wardrobe full of holes. Now that pun was totally intended. One thing I wasn't quite satisfied with though was that I asked for a 5-minute script. Well, that wasn't 5 minutes. I even verbalized all the shooting direction parts, and it still wasn't 5 minutes. I did try to ask ChatGPT to make it longer, and then it started coming up with random dialogues like model 1 says this, model 2 says that. It's like when you're trying to reach the word count of an essay and you just have to start making up random shit. Well, I guess AI learned it from humans too. At the moment, ChatGPT's training data cuts off in 2021, which means it has very limited knowledge of the world after 2021. Or so they say. I was actually trying to fuck with it. I asked it to predict 2023 spring fashion trends, and it did. And I was like, how do you predict 2023 fashion trends when your data is cut off in 2021? And it responded, what did it say? It says, I can use my training data and knowledge of general fashion trends to make informed predictions about what may be popular in the spring of 2023. You know what? I can't argue with that. All in all, I am pretty impressed by ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like responses in such a short amount of time. I would be cautious to use it on my own creative projects though, because I don't know if it'll give similar answers to other people, and if it does, it's gonna be awkward. Also, given the fact that ChatGPT currently has limited data, not all of the information it gives you will be accurate. It could be outdated or just plain wrong, so you still need to fact check. With that being said, the beauty of AI is that it will continue learning from humans and will only get smarter and smarter. What we're seeing now is only the first training version, and it's already pretty impressive. I am really excited to see how it's going to evolve in the future. As of right now, I can already see myself using it in a lot of different scenarios, like writing a threatening letter to sue the neighbor who caused water damage to my floor. I should probably stop putting ideas in my head. Anywho, thanks for watching today's video. I will see you in the next one. I promise it's not going to be written by AI.